This is a roll of regular Bambu Lab filament on a reusable spool, and this one is a reusable spool with non-bamboo refills in it. I'm very excited about this. I'm going to tell you why and how I got some of the greatest quality prints with this new filament. I'm super excited to talk about this. My name is Nick and welcome back to Thinkable. So as of making this video, currently Bambu Lab is having a major shortage in the PETG HF type filament. It is completely sold out, and when it does come back in stock, it sells out immediately. This has been the cycle for the past few months. It might have been solved by the time you're watching this video, but that is what I'm dealing with right now, so I cannot get any more PETG HF. This is an amazing type of filament, and it's really sad to see it go. But I wanted to start exploring some other options. So I love the actual reusable spools, like the plastic ones from Bambu Lab, but no other company makes the actual refills until now. So I got this one from Overture. This is not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money and I tested it. I'm gonna tell you the flaws in this as well. I am super impressed with this. Number one, it's available. I bought this on Amazon, and I think you can buy it from their own website as well as resellers, so it's definitely available. Two, it's high quality filament. Like, over the past few years, PETG has gotten better and better. Bambu Labs set the standard with the PETG HF, which is kind of the top end of PETG right now, and that's why people are going crazy and buying it out. So this other option from Overture, this is just their basic PETG. This is great, and it's cheap, and it's available, and I want to tell you and show you everything. So these are some test prints that I've done with this PETG. So these are some tools that I make for telescopes. The top surface, as well as the overall print quality, is really, really good. I mean, I dare say flawless, but it's just really, really nice. I'm absolutely shocked at how high quality this filament is. I did download their actual profile for use with my Bambu Lab A1. I'm going to show you that later on how you can fine tune this filament as well to achieve results like this. But overall, I'm really excited that there's other options now other than Bambu Lab for good quality, cheap, reusable filament. The one major downside of this refill currently is there's still no RFID tags. Bambu Lab has their own proprietary RFID technology built into their spools, which means you can put the filament onto the printer and it automatically knows what kind of filament it is. That is a super useful feature, and it just removes another step of you having to input that info manually into the printer. Hopefully in the future, RFID tags will become universal and available on all spools. That would be an amazing achievement for creating and make it super easy for people to make things. I'm all about that. So that's my major downside with this filament, but overall I am super happy. If you want to pick up some of this yourself and give it a try, if you're like me and love using PETG but aren't just mad that they're just sold out constantly, be sure to check this out. I've checked out other types of PETG, but this one is my favorite so far because I can use it with the reusable spool. So for all of you that want to try this out and want to get the highest results, I'm going to show you what I did to download the filament profile from their website and how to fine tune your settings. All right, so here we are on the Overture PETG filament profile website. This is where the link in the description should take you. You can read all this lovely information about the material, and if you scroll all the way down, the PETG printed profile.zip, you want to download that. Then you want to unzip that file how you do on your computer. All right, and then once you unzip that file, you get all of these profiles depending on which printer and which settings you're using. So all of the ones at the top here are going to be your printing profiles. These are for your printers, like the settings. And then these ones down here are going to be your filament profiles. These are the ones that are going to import into Bambu Studio. All right, so here we are in Bambu Studio. So we're going to go ahead and go up here to the File button. Click that and then hit Import, and then Import Configs. So then now we want to pull up the folder that we have all of these presets saved to, and we want to locate the Overture PETG Basic one for our printer, so I'm going to be using the A1 Mini. If you want to upload the filament profile as well as the printing profile at the same time, you can do that as well. Select them both and then hit open. Now it's going to tell you that they're imported, which is good. Hit OK, and then now over here in the Project Filaments tab, you can select the type of filament you want. Under User Presets Custom, it should show this Overture PETG Basic. So this is the one that you just imported, and if you want to click these three dots on the side of it, you hit Edit. Now these are all the settings for the actual filament that are fine-tuned for you. You don't have to change any of these except one. If you're having bed adhesion problems with the textured PEI plate like I am, you can increase this 70 degrees Celsius to 80 for both the initial and other layers. This just helps with bed adhesion for me. You can leave this if you decide. If you want to save it, you go ahead and hit the save button at the top. You can rename it to something. I usually just delete all this extra stuff. And then now I already have it saved, so you can just go and hit User Preset and then OK. And then after you do that, it should show up in the Custom tab. All right, now that we have the actual filament settings, we're going to do the printing settings. So I noticed that the regular Overture PETG profile that we uploaded is actually the same as the default speed settings for Bamboo. So here's the difference between my settings and the default settings. Here are all the differences. You can copy them individually, or I'm going to make it easy for you and have it in this project, and we're going to print a benchy. You don't want to use the default because they are too fast. For PETG, PETG has to be printed slower. So I'm just going to print a regular benchy. I'm going to rotate it a little bit because I like it to face forward. But other than that, I'm not going to change any filament or printing settings. These are the ones that I use all the time, and they get good results with PETG. So let's go ahead and slice it up, and it's going to take over an hour. This is definitely not a speed profile, but this is a quality profile. So we're going to go ahead and hit print, and I'm going to, oh, it does not have the filament. I have the correct printer, but since it does not have the RFID tag, it's going to show up as a question mark. You want to click that filament, and then turn the flow dynamics calibration off. I keep the auto bed leveling on, and when we hit send, it's going to come up this box saying make sure that it's the correct filament. We're all good, so we hit confirm. And then an hour later, we have our beautiful looking benchy. There are a couple strings, but nothing a little more drying can take care of. Stuck really well to the bed, and the print quality came out amazing. So be sure to download this profile in the description. Overall, I am super happy with this filament, and overall for the idea that other companies are making high quality, reusable filament other than Bambu Lab. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I'm super excited to hear. I'm very excited and happy that 3D printing is blowing up right now. It's a very exciting time to be in this hobby. So many cool things to make. It's getting easier and better every day. So thank you all for watching. You guys are awesome. Keep making all the things and have a great day.